Meitei Tribes Union (MMTU) has accused both the central and Manipur governments of attempting to forcibly enroll illegal immigrants from Myanmar into the upcoming census. In a statement, MMTU Secretary Organization Takilambam Parijat Meitei alleged that authorities are deliberately ignoring the critical issue of identifying undocumented foreigners. The union claimed that illegal immigrants have already occupied two-thirds of the land in Manipur's hill districts, constructing unauthorized roads and bridges without state consent. MMTU further cautioned that some immigrants have risen to positions as lawmakers, bureaucrats and militant leaders, alleging they are conspiring to fracture the state and wage war against indigenous communities. The organization sharply criticized the government's failure to implement NRC in the state, despite the State Assembly passing two resolutions and signing agreements following public movements in 1980 and 1994. While the government rescheduled the start of the census to August 17 following public pressure, MMTU lamented that no tangible steps have been taken to update the NRC or filter out foreign nationals. It further questioned the ongoing SIR, claiming it fails to detect illegal voters and citing the inclusion of Saikot MLA Paulianlal Haukim in the revision process as evidence of flawed verification. The organization also urged all indigenous people across hills and valleys to unite against the influx, calling it the most severe threat to the state.